Hey guys, so I just want to jump on quickly. I'm editing the video at the moment. I've had a fair bit of trouble with some stuff on the computer and the audio for this video is not the best, and I just want to apologize in advance, but I promise it does get better. It's just a bit of an issue on the computer side of things, but next week it's going to be better. Just want to let you guys know. Sorry in advance, and enjoy. Alright, so since putting the new wheels on this car, it has been great. It has looked good, it feels good, it's been great. But one issue that we have been having a lot of is that we're scraping the inner guards every time we go into full lock. It's not a massive issue day-to-day driving, but I still want to be able to drive day-to-day in a car park or whatnot. So we're going to be putting these on today, which is a 15 mil, is it 15? 20 mil. 20 mil wheel spaces. So it's not going to be too crazy, but that will mean that we're going to be able to go full lock, drive more comfortably. It's also going to give us a little bit more of a wider stance. But then we are going to have the issue of the wheels poking out of the guards, which normally I wouldn't care about. I think that looks better that way. But in Queensland, have a real issue with that. So to fix that issue, we also got a set of fender flares that we went on getting. And honestly, I don't know if I'm a massive fan. I think they kind of make cars look a little bit cheap, but it's the only ones I could kind of get. I have two sets. One of them's too big for the car, so that was a real bummer. But we do have a universal set that we are going to try and make fit. So we'll have a look at that, but first things first, let's get these on. I fucking jacked up the car before loosening the nuts. Why do I do this to myself? Every fucking time. I don't want to jack the car back down. The thing I do want to say is thank you all for the support you guys have been giving me lately. Been really fun working on this thing, and hopefully I've got a few more projects in the work that are coming up for a bit of a different build. It's a little bit of sneak peek for that. You know, we'll see what happens, but there might be another vehicle in the fleet shortly. How nice is these? Oh, see, the front ones are ones that I've got a face with mug plates. This is the first brand new thing I bought on this Rav in the whole series. Wow, it's a bit too shiny for the car, eh? Doesn't quite look normal. I think that's pretty cool. The first brand new thing I bought in the car. For now, there is one more thing coming. Pretty cool. Let's go. Oh. Oh, that's good. The first brand new thing that I bought doesn't fit. Alright, well that was short-lived. That's why you don't buy new stuff. That's actually fucking hilarious. The fact that the first fucking new thing we bought doesn't even fit. Which it was just not the stud pattern, it was the thread. The thread pattern was wrong. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to look into getting another one of those. But it's alright, it doesn't look that much different. But what we'll do today then is we'll just smash out the two front ones. That way we can stop the full lock thing from happening. So that's right. It's fucking annoying. Alright, let's move the car around. So these are universal fender flares for the Ravs. Now, again, it's the other first brand new item that we have got, so my confidence levels of it fitting now are very low. I have seen Ravs with them before on. I don't know if these is exact ones, but worth the try. At least fit off. It was $20. I don't think it's going to be the best, but it's going to be good enough for what we want. So let's open it up and see if it's going to work. Yeah, okay. They're a lot smaller than what I thought, and they're flimsy as fuck. So let's have a quick look. Wow. It's gonna work, boys. We actually bought something that's new and it's gonna work. Alright, so it's a bit hard. I don't have any right tape to do it. Have a quick look, see if we've got something. Let's have to go for it, I think. I'm nervous because I do then have to drill into the fenders. So it's really a one and done. But we gotta learn somehow, so. So as you can see, it's a couple hours later, but you probably can't see, but they are on. All four of them are on. It took a lot longer than expected, but it looks good. I don't know, we'll have a look in the morning. We'll go get some videos of it. Honestly, I'm not in love with it. And it took me a long time, which pissed me off, but I think it might look a bit cheap. They're like too much on the outside of the car now. I don't know. But we'll have a look in the morning. Well, for me it'll be the morning, for you guys it's going to be right now, but have a look. Right, let's go. Check it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, all four of them on. It's looking good. I'm not 100% sold on the fronts, but the rears are looking really, really neat. They kind of work really well with the fender. So, I don't know. No trimming, no nothing. Fit really well, snug down there. Pretty stoked with the rears. The fronts, on the other hand, had to trim a bit. I'm not in love with them. This one's better. The other one on the other side's a bit worse. Just kind of pokes out a little bit more. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, because I'll do whatever you guys think looks best. I might keep them. I might have to change them again. Might have to get a new pair. I'm not too sure. On top of that, the wheel spacers, they kind of made everything worse. So I'm now rubbing more on the full lock, which is not great. And on top of that, it's making a lot more noise in the front now. So it already makes a lot of noise because I've put a cheap suspension kit in there before I started vlogging it all. So I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to take them out. On top of that, little update on the rooftop tent situation. So I took it out on the weekend. It honestly performs really well for, again, $100, you can't go wrong with it. So I think we're going to keep it on. I was a bit unsure the first night we stayed on it, but I think we're going to keep it on. So we're going to roll some footage now of the weekend, and after that we're going to get into next week's video. By the way, next week's video we're going to get started on the rear setup in the inside with a 12 volt, with a bit of whatever. Probably going to be a couple episodes on just putting the rear on, because it's a pretty big job. When I mean rear setup, that is. But yeah, alright, no worries boys, we'll catch you later.
Been contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace place that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away. Run away, run away, run away. It gets so loud that I can barely hear. But your words speak much louder than all my